Hey guys, what up? It's Vel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing some more tips and tricks for you YouTube beginners. Since it's 2018, I figured that I would give you guys 18 new first YouTube video ideas. Very easy, quick videos. So let's just go ahead and get into it. And also, these are going to be pertaining more to beauty channels just because mine is a beauty channel. If you want another video on different ideas, let me know. I will be more than happy to leave all the beauty out of it. Alright, so the first video idea I would say would be very simple, very easy. It would be to do the spicy ramen challenge. I feel like that video has been going around like crazy, and it's something I will never do, so don't even ask, don't even tell Velma to do it because my stomach problems will not allow. Like, I would just die. I would just straight up die on camera. So we're not gonna do that here, but I think it would be cool if you guys are into spicy food. It would be a great first video idea. All right, for the second idea, I feel like a good makeup routine video would be good if you're trying to do a beauty channel. Obviously, if you are creating a beauty channel, it is because you already are into makeup. So I would just go ahead and start fresh and just kind of show your everyday makeup routine. Everybody loves that. And then you can just kind of grow, and people will ask you about your normal routine, and then you can just bounce off ideas from there and just keep on going. So I feel like that would be a good one. Number 3 would be your everyday makeup drawer. Everybody would love to see what you have in your everyday makeup drawer. It kind of like goes along with the makeup routine. I like to watch those type of videos to kind of see what everybody's into right now and just what's kind of out and popular, and it just helps me get an idea of what I should try and stuff like that. And so that would be a really easy video to do. Number 4, skin routine. Everybody in the beauty community loves to see how you take care of your skin, how you remove your makeup maybe, you know, just a skincare video, a routine would be amazing. Everybody loves those. Number 5 would be a chit chat get ready with me. Everybody loves to hear you blab about what you're using, about what's going on in your life. I feel like it's very easy. You can just sit there when you normally do your makeup and put it on and just kind of talk about your day, talk about your life. Number 6 would be one brand makeup tutorials. I feel like those are always so interesting. You just pick a brand, like say Maybelline, and you use everything for Maybelline in a tutorial, or Wet n Wild, something very inexpensive, and you just use everything. Those videos are really, really liked. Number 7 would be how you wash your makeup brushes, or maybe how you wash your makeup sponges. A lot of girls need tips. Like, there's always something new coming out, a new way to wash your brushes and stuff like that. And yeah, any information, I feel like if you use it, you should share it, so we can all help each other out. So that would be a good one. Number 8, Q&A. Q&A videos are amazing for first videos because, again, you get to tell people what you're about. They get to ask questions, especially if you already have like an Instagram fan base. Then yeah, Q&As are really good video ideas. Number 9 would be what's in my bag. Girls are just like snoopy, and like they just like to know what everybody's doing. What's in my bag, what's in my gym bag. If you're like a fitness person, that would be a really good idea. Another idea would be what I eat in a day, because those videos, I watch those almost every day. Like, I like to see what everybody else is eating, what they're using to try to lose weight, so that's a good video. Number 11, watch me clean. Like, watch me clean my bedroom. Just something like that would be a very good first time video. Number 12, you can do tags. Like, there's so many tags out there. I'm pretty sure if you Google why I started YouTube, there would be a tag on that, so that would be a good first video idea. 13 would be hauls. Like, whenever you buy something, Dollar Tree hauls, Walmart hauls, Sephora, Ulta, whatever. Like, if I'm pretty sure, again, like I said, if you're starting a beauty channel, then you probably already shop for makeup anyway, so that would be a great video. I freaking love watching hauls. It makes me want to shop, but I love them. Number 14, I think a good eyebrow routine video is very helpful for everybody. You know, everybody does their eyebrows super differently, like it's insane. So yeah, just you sharing how you do your eyebrows, I think would help a lot of people. It's a good first video to get people into watching you. Number 15 would be how to edit my photos, how you edit your photos on Instagram. If you're somebody on Instagram, then great. You know, you don't have to edit perfectly, but just maybe sharing your information, like what you use, what apps you use, also what's on your phone. People like to see what you have on your phone, what type of apps and stuff that you use. That would be a good idea. Number 16, lookbooks. Lookbooks for summer, for winter, for any occasion, like say Valentine's Day, a full chit chat, get ready with me look idea, you know, like just showing how you do your makeup, what outfit you're gonna wear for that certain occasion. People love to see those type of videos. 17 would be draw my life. I love draw my lives. I feel like more people need to do those. It's kind of a thing of the past, but I think we need to bring it back. So it's very cool. Like, have you guys watched other people, like, go look at your favorite YouTubers draw my lives? I need to do that. Should I do that? Let me know if you want to see that, because whew, that would take a long day to do. And number 18, I have no more fingers to show you. 10, 8, 18 would be your filming setup. Like, obviously you do YouTube. People love to see what you film with. Again, something I have not done. I have like a light back there. Sorry, hopefully it's not that distracting. But yeah, like how I set up my beauty setup or my beauty vanity. Like, just you showing your makeup in general is so, I don't know, I think it's very therapeutic. I like to just like watch what you guys have in your room. Creepy, that sounds creepy, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it guys. That is 18 ideas on what to start your channel with. I'm pretty sure there's like a million more. And like I said, if you are not even beauty related, let me know if you want another video. I'll discuss 18 other ideas that you don't need to put beauty into it. Is that what I'm trying to say? But yeah, so thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, because it really helps me out a lot. And consider subscribing, because I do come up with new content every single Sunday. I will not miss out. So I'm back for good. And yeah, I'm just excited to be back. And so I'm gonna try really hard to put videos out for you every single Sunday. So hit subscribe. Focus. I feel like I've been out of focus this whole time. Wow, I bet you I was. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! 12 small contouring brush and just help all of this blend out nicely.